Mr. Atul Bengeri is an individual with more than 2 decades of combined corporate and academic experiences in the IT and ITES digital transformation. And he has worked on design development and implementations in the education, healthcare, enterprise, and government verticals. He has also worked in companies like Siemens, Intel, and Dell in the past, and he is now an entrepreneur. As an educator and trainer, he has conducted more than 500 plus training sessions for teachers. These are all faculty development programs, and the students across India on various topics of technology, business, data science, and education. He is also a coach and mentor at the undergraduate and postgraduate levels in India and also in abroad for technical and management streams. In addition, he has conducted various entrepreneurship awareness and development programs for budding entrepreneurs. We are pleased to invite Mr. Atul Bengeri to deliver his presentation. Welcome you, Mr. Atul.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you for the introduction. Okay, so here we are. The topic is solving the creativity conundrum. If you just rewind back to the time that you can remember, we human beings have been successful and have survived in this world only because of creativity. Of course, you may all start wondering that I am talking over my head, but then my head doesn't have anything over it, which you can see. So does that mean that if I have a hammer, everything looks like a nail to me? Well, to me, it is, because my topic is creativity, and I would associate, correlate everything that I would speak and everything that you would experience to creativity today. And 21st century, the century that we are in, it would be recognized and remembered for the innumerous creativity, innovation, and the research and development that is happening around us for ages. I will go a little forward. Why this topic is of importance is because very recently on 21st of April, we actually celebrated World Creativity and Innovation Day. And this is not what we are celebrating alone, or not just I'm celebrating. It was the whole world which celebrated, but we missed out because of the obvious reasons of the situation that we are in. But nevertheless, I would want to point to this particular quote of Peter Drucker, one of my favorite marketing strategists. Quote, "If you want something new, you have to stop doing something old." Oh yes, very well. And if I have to do something new, I need to know where do I start from. And previous speakers have spoken a lot on various other topics, but my topic revolving around creativity, let me take to asking this question to all of you. So what on earth is creativity to you? What does it come to your mind when you hear about the word creativity? Because creativity is defined individually and of course collectively. But what comes to your mind when we talk about the word creativity? I would want each one of you to think for a few seconds, and not beyond a few seconds, because I want it spontaneous. I want to know.
Something to do in a new way.
Okay, something to do in a new way. Yes, absolutely.
Something from nothing.
Wow, something from nothing. Wonderful. Yes, I create something from nothing. Yes, creativity. Okay.
Unique idea.
Unique ideas. Yes, absolutely.
Innovative.
Innovative. Absolutely. Yes. So these are a few words that come to you, and I have created a word cloud of all of this put together. But I'm so happy that when we talk about creativity, a few things come to us naturally. Does that mean that we are all born creative? Or do we really need to put in that extra effort, that extra energy to be creative? Oh, well, it again depends. So let's go a little forward and just come over all of this, because I know we all have a lot of questions. A lot of question marks is basically the questions that I have in my mind when we talk about creativity, because creativity is abstract in its totality. When it's put to use, when it puts to action, that is when we see something new that gets created. Something from nothing gets created only when I go through the journey of abstraction to realization. And when I say realization, it's not the self-realization, it's the realization of that abstract idea into something tangible that can be seen, felt, or observed. So with these questions, let's try to figure out the conundrums, the puzzle. In fact, when we combine conundrum and creativity, that itself creates a lot of questions and a lot of question marks. And I'm here to answer all of them. For a few, it's a storm in a teacup. Creativity would bring about a storm in a teacup and would completely jitter many of them. For a few, it's like biting the bullet. Oh man, get it up. Get it to me. I'll bite the bullet. I can do it. I will do it. Come what may. For some, it's like cool as a cucumber. I've been doing it for ages. Bring it on and I will do it again. For some, it's a piece of cake. Oh well, nothing big. But for some, it may happen only when pigs will fly. For each one of us, creativity means different things. Absolutely. That's the beauty of creativity. And that is why we talk about the conundrums of creativity.